Artificial intelligence often feels invisible. A chatbot answering questions, an image generated in seconds, software making decisions faster than humans ever could. But behind every AI interaction lies something deeply physical. Thousands of specialized chips, massive warehouses filled with servers, cooling systems operating around the clock, vast amount of electricity and water powering the intelligence that millions of people now use every day. For years, data centers quietly existed in the background of digital economy. Most people never thought about where cloud computing happened or what powered the internet. But that is beginning to change, because as the world races to build more AI infrastructure, communities are asking an increasingly important question: who pays the real cost of artificial intelligence? And as AI expands, can societies balance technological progress with local priorities and environmental concerns? Hello and welcome to the latest episode of Perspectives. I'm your host Ankita Sachdeva. Recently, opposition to data center expansion reached a new level in the United States. Demonstrations were organized across multiple states as residents voiced concerns over the rapid construction of facilities designed to support the growing demand for artificial intelligence. The concerns are varied but interconnected. Communities are questioning the enormous electricity requirements of these facilities. Others are raising alarms over water usage needed to cool advanced computing systems. Many are also asking whether local residents are sufficiently consulted before the large-scale projects are approved. What makes this moment significant is that the debate around artificial intelligence is no longer limited to issues like regulation, ethics, or misinformation. For perhaps the first time, the conversation is becoming about infrastructure, about land, about resources, and about who gets to decide how these resources are used. Artificial intelligence may seem like software, but AI is increasingly becoming one of the world's largest infrastructure stories. Every AI model requires computing power, every computation requires energy, and every piece of digital intelligence ultimately depends on physical systems operating somewhere in the real world. The rise of generative AI has triggered an unprecedented race among technology companies and governments to build more computing capacity. New data centers are being announced at record pace as organizations seek the infrastructure required to support future AI demand. In many ways, the AI race is no longer simply a competition for better algorithms. It is becoming a competition for power, chips, and infrastructure. For local communities, the issue is rarely artificial intelligence itself. It is what arrives with it. A large data centers can fundamentally change how a region consumes energy and water. It can reshape local infrastructure planning and raise questions about environmental sustainability. For years, policymakers focused on questions such as: how should AI be regulated? Can AI systems be trusted? How should risk be managed? But another set of questions is now emerging: who benefits from AI infrastructure? Who bears its environmental cost? And how should societies balance economic opportunity with sustainability? The politics of artificial intelligence is expanding beyond software and regulation. It is becoming a debate about infrastructure planning. For India, the global debate offers an important lesson. The country is rapidly emerging as one of the world's most significant digital economies. AI adoption is accelerating across industries. Cloud investment continues to grow, and data center development is becoming a major area of strategic investment. But as India scales its digital infrastructure ambitions, questions around sustainability will become equally important. Every major technological revolution has depended on physical infrastructure. Industrialization required factories and railways. The internet required cables, cloud computing, and telecom networks. Artificial intelligence will require data centers, lots of them. The challenge, however, is not whether AI infrastructure will continue to expand. The story of artificial intelligence is entering a new phase. For years, the focus was on what AI could do. Now, attention is shifting towards what AI requires: more computing, more electricity, more infrastructure, and perhaps more public consensus. That's all for today's Perspectives. I'm your host Ankita Sachdeva. Keep watching the mainstream for more such stories.